What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you for another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, the Bitcoin price is just shooting through the roof. Elon Musk has bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, pumping the price way up. And guys, our leverage trade is just going through the roof right now with 266% gains. This is just incredible, guys. These are just biblical times in cryptocurrency. There is so much to go over, guys. Let's dive right into the price section. If you're not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like. Alright guys, so as you can see, we had that inverse head and shoulders right here. Okay, there's the shoulder, there's the head, there's the shoulder, and inverse, meaning down. Okay, and then we had an ascending triangle here. That's what this is right here. Alright, and then we had a higher low, higher low, higher low. The EMA's crossing right, and guys, it perfectly hit the target right up here. Alright. That is awesome, okay? If you guys can see, we measured from the back of this triangle right there. And then it broke out right there. Guys, that's pretty spot on right there. So that's an awesome trade. Congratulations to everyone who took the long. This was just another clear as day read, guys. I always tell everybody right now, it's very dangerous to go short. Yeah, there's some shorting opportunities. And basically yesterday, that was one of them. Right here. Okay, so as we pumped right out of that pump, we had a big crash down, basically about 8%. Okay, now as you can see, the EMA's crossed, the EMA 20, EMA 55, those are both the polar extremes. Okay, we came down into the support zone. Okay, this is where we've had previous resistances. Okay, several points right through here. So I made the berth a little wide, and it's nice because it basically it hit to it on all the bottoms, which is nice. Okay, so that was for me. Once it bounced twice and then we started to put in higher lows there, that was the confirmation that, hey, we're bouncing here and we're not going to plummet down any further past, say, this support line right here. Moving over to present time. Okay, the next target up, assuming no resistance, is, you know, about 20-some% up from there, guys. That's a 22% trade. So even if, guys, if you got in even at 39 just within the last few days, you know, you could have made some really good money. Okay, but most people have been chasing the dragon, chasing the dragon, chasing the dragon. And guys, what's going to happen right now? Well, what happened right here? We had like a bull flag painted basically right here. You can see it. Okay, a little bit of a pullback, consolidation, tightening up, the EMA's touched, and then more volume came back into the market. Okay, right here. This is over on the MACD as well. Then we saw a pump, and again, another pump. Okay, guys, another pump. And what's very interesting is they're basically very close to the same volumes, okay? So from previous bottom resistance to top, 13%. Okay, bottom to top, 23%. So that's pretty close. You know, 13, 23 is only a 10% difference in the movement. We're definitely getting bigger movements to the upside right now. And what could happen right now in the Bitcoin prices, we could get another sideways motion. It really depends. We could get some kind of double top forming, something like this. Okay, or we could get another consolidation period, like a nice tightening, and then another blast off. Okay, we could end up going even higher. Guys, we could break 50,000 over the next few days. It's really incredible. If, you know, Bitcoin keeps its fundamentals just pumping the way it is, you know, much higher numbers are anticipated easily. Now, what to look for in a reversal here is if we start to see, you know, some negative volume come in, some bearish pressure come in. Okay, so for instance, we could easily end up going back down, you know, to 41,000 if we end up having another big sell-off, and that would only be 13%. So guys, remember, in the previous bull runs, there were 30 to 40% pullbacks throughout the entire time. So understand, if we pulled back that much from here, you know, we're not even on the page here. I have to get rid of the MACD here so you can see this. Okay, if we were to plummet another 30% right from where we were, we would hit the bottom trend line of the previous broadening wedge. okay? So in essence, that's something that can definitely happen. But I really do believe we have some more bullish momentum here. You know, things are just really playing out nicely. Now, if you notice, there's that 13% pump that I was talking about there. So the pump from there to there, the pump from there to there, 13 and 13%. And then the pump from here to here was 23. So an even bigger percent, 13, 13 is 26. So very close to the target, okay? And I know a lot of you guys don't understand that math. That's something that I've been kind of slowly picking up on. And I'll try to be teaching that more and more as time comes in. But, you know, easily we could end up back down at this pink line. But if we form a consolidation and more, you know, good pressure comes in, we could end up surfing higher easily, guys, okay? And let's take a look at Ethereum. Okay, guys, Ethereum having a good pump, almost mimicking Bitcoin. Okay, guys, we have a lot of the same stuff going on. And as you can see, we had another inverse head and shoulders here, and then a pump right out of it. Same kind of thing. And it's interesting, the targets are almost exactly the same. So on the previous inverse head and shoulders, we had a target, which came very close, okay, very close. And I was thinking the target would get hit anyway, but then we started a descending wedge, okay, right here, and then another inverse head and shoulders, which was the signal for the pump coming. We had a crossing of the EMAs on the hourly, and in all honesty, guys, if you went down to the 15-minute chart, you could have caught this trade where you're supposed to back at the shoulder of the inverse head and shoulders here. Okay, so that was the cross there. That was your long for Ethereum at 1594. Okay, and then there's the target, as you guys can see right there. There's the target. And so far, you know, I think we're going to hit it within the next hour or 2 hours. But in all honesty, guys, that's basically hit. Okay, guys, so that target's already basically hit. So in reality, you could be looking for a short. But again, guys, I say again, it is very dangerous shorting in a bull market. Okay, the trends are looking up. Okay, everything's looking up. So it's very dangerous going short. I'm telling everyone that. Okay, but that's, you know, what's going on in Ethereum in the short term. You know, something has to be formed. It kind of looks like another bull flag being painted right here, to be honest, right here. Okay, but we got to see how high this breaks out high. If this pumps right out of it, then yes, this was a bull flag, easy read. And notice we're still staying away from the EMA 55. The EMA 20 is pushing up to the top, and the pressure is building up. We still have a lot of volume. We have a lot of, you know, bearish pressure as well as bullish, and still continuing to pump to the upside. My daughter's coming to visit. Mila, come on in, say hi. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My daughter ran in. I kind of forgot exactly where I was here talking. But in essence, like I said, if we get, you know, a good pump out of this, which it looks like we already are, like another bull flag being painted, you know, we're going to easily hit this target and kind of surpass it, aka breaking the $18,000 barrier for Ethereum. And guys, in all honesty, I just think we're headed up to $2,000 and then some. And I mean, that's just the beginning. We're going to see some really high coin prices over the next year and change easily. And guys, that's about all the time I have for today. This is just going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking at right now. You know, if you're looking for just a brief short, it is really risky right now. We are still pumping for sure. Everyone that's been in on this pump, you know, congratulations on your gains already. These are some massive gains. It's awesome when you catch along, especially in your early stages trading, and it just goes really nice for you guys in, you know, in a very profitable way. So congratulations to all the students who took the long today and yesterday. Basically, we're still holding from yesterday. Same kind of situation, guys. You guys are in epic profits right now, and basically all of you are on profits. I don't think any of you made a bad call, so congratulations. And guys, if you're looking to become a student, reach out to me at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com. Right now, my fee is $100 an hour paid in either Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin. And I basically teach you how to trade. I teach you how to do this stuff on your own. I can't express to you guys enough, you know, financial freedom is something that you want to obtain, and learning how to just make money on your own from the comfort of your own home in these times is just pivotal. You know, you got to think to yourself, you know, the money you give someone to learn as long as you're making more money, what's it really matter? And honestly, guys, I always suggest about 5 hours for most people try to learn. I've been doing this for many, many years. So I'm trying to just throw out as much information as I can at you guys so you pick things up as quickly as possible so that you're off on your own making good trades. And guys, I'm still around for you even after that. I give calls to people. If you're looking for just calls, I give that too. If I'll basically say, hey, it's looking this way. I'm looking for this, that, and the other thing. If it does this, I'm going to go long. If it does this, I'm going to go short. Same kind of things, guys. If that's just what you're looking for, that's exactly what I do. It's my job to really figure out where you're at. I've been dealing with all different kinds of people from all different parts of the world, looking for basically gains in short. But, the goal is to be able to be a self-sufficient trader making money on your own. So that's what I hope to give to all of you guys as a teacher. So guys, reach out to me at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com and I will be happy to get you guys in as quickly as possible. Give me a couple days to get back to you guys. There's definitely a process. But we get you in, and then you're basically in, and you can even have a direct way to get a hold of me after you become a student. So that's something that's really nice as well. And guys, let's just be real here. As I get more and more popular and get more and more students, I'm going to get flooded with people, and it's going to be harder for me to do the individual attention to people. So these are the early stages. Let's be real. You found me in the early stages of my page. You are the people that can benefit the most from me. Okay, and the stuff that I'm doing, if you guys do what I'm doing, you are going to be just fine. It is that simple. Guys, that's all that time I have for today. Remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I will catch you guys later.